Is it a magic film?
No, it is an evolution of the flexible film.
So, is it the legendary EPU protector?
Introducing the star of the show. Flexible super self-healing film made with EPU material. Take the following 3 quizzes to see how much you know about EPU. Quiz 1. Is EPU a rapid responder? Let's see what it can do. It's like a trained emergency room doctor, and as soon as a scratch appears, the self-healing factors come out en masse. The screen stays like new even after long use, and everyone who tries it loves it. Quiz 2. Was EPU born into a noble family, or did it rise from the grassroots? It has been widely used in applications such as airplane exteriors and automobile bodies in its early days, and is at its peak right out of the gate. When it comes to mobile phone screen protector field, it performs exceptionally at your fingertips. HD screen protector, original picture quality, smooth and sensitive. Matte screen protector, effectively resists glare and fingerprints. It absorbs shock and impact for effective screen protection. Quiz 3. Does EPU come with pre-installed excellence? EPU film naturally curls inward to fit curved screens, tightly and seamlessly. It adheres the screen flawlessly without edge lifting. Scratches gone, protection remains. Get Rockspace EPU Super Self-Healing Film today.